With a Fortador car wash, removing stains such as tar and asphalt requires just dry steam and a cloth. It also means the end of paying for expensive stain removers. Organic car shampoo will remove any dirt, and the temperature will definitely shorten the entire process. Squashed insects on the car's body could be a big problem for ordinary washing, but you should know there is an alternative to strong and expensive chemicals. Just move the nozzle close to the surface, then wipe dry. Organic dirt will be removed quickly and ecologically.